Institute of Liver and Digestive Sciences Imphal na sinduna Numit nini pangthokkadaba Suba Indian Society of Gastroenterology ISG Northeast Chapter Conference Ngasi Chingmeirong leiba Hotel Classic Grande Houdokkhre Conference asida Northeast State ki Maming leiraba hospital singi gastro amadi liver gi doctor amadi medicine amasung surgery tamliba mahirui singsu sarugya ki Conference aduda All India Institute of Medical Sciences New Delhi ki Gastroenterology ki Head Professor Dr. Pramod Garg nahai yu thakpana pancreatitis nahan bakhak natana liver dasu makhal makha kaya gi laina nahale Chahi nauriba naha sing na mayai kaba chinjak season nabagi chang ase aduki matik wangkhalakli masina hakchang sokhan bakhak natana atopa kanaba amata lekte Chahi nauna mayai kaba nisa season nabana heart amadi brain yauna hakchang gi atay maru oiba kayat singda aduki matik akaiba pi maram aduna hakchang phana legi hairabadi mayai kaba chinjak thadokpana khwaidigi achumba khongthang ne yu thakpa khak natana maikhu sizinaba asinasu hakchangda akaiba kaya pidaba nate maikhu sizinabana makhal makha kya gi laina naraknabagi achouba machak amasu oi maram aduna hakchang fabana aikhoigi lengdraba lanni haibasi kaudaba fai afaba chinjak chaduna aikhoigi hakchang fana thamsi haina Dr. Pramod Garg na makhatana phongdokhi
Alcohol not only causes pancreatitis but also liver disease, and my first advice to everybody would be to limit alcohol use to bare minimum. In fact, if you don't drink alcohol, that's the best. And alcohol has so much of bad effect on the entire body, including your brain, your heart, your liver, your pancreas, everywhere. These patients become malnourished and they have lots of problems. So first advice is not to take alcohol or take it bare minimum. Second, in the same context, smoking is equally bad. When we talk about alcoholics who take a lot of alcohol, 90% of these patients are also smoking or taking tobacco in different forms. So my advice would be not to smoke, not to take tobacco at all. These are very detrimental to your health.
Thauramadu Sarugyakiba Institute of Liver and Digestive Sciences Hospital gi Director Amadi Conference asigi Organizing Secretary Dr. Nongthomam Suresh Kumar Nahai Numit nini gi oina pangthokliba conference aduda masak maming leiraba Dr. Kiana Sarugyari ngasi conference asida ILDS Hospital gi Dr. Singh na pangthokpa anoba makhal gi operation sing live oina pangthoktuna utkani Masina nauna MBBS tamliba mahairoi singda wakhal losing kaya ama piba ngamgani haina mahakna makhataki
Suba Indian Society of Gastroenterology Northeast Chapter Conference ki ahobunumit ni numit nini chathagadaba conference ni tarik 13 ka hairiba conference Imphal gi oinadi ahanba adugumba gastro amasung liver gi conference ni masigi conference da khoi gi India gi mafam khudingmaktagi mising lai aduga conference gi khoi gi manung channa khoi gi Imphal live endoscopy conference na khoi gi asengba patients singda khoi gi operation tobagi endoscopy gi operation tobagi thoram Kogi Haidiba conference ki part moina kogi ILDS hospital da experts singna makhal meagi kogi procedure myamsi kogi utpigani ado kogi yamna disturb oirba jaga sida kogi Haidiba stalwarts yamna maming lerba phawba jaga amasung doctor singna koi sidagi Imphal da laaga kogi tawiri yam laibuk phaba amasung yamna kogi aphaba opportunity amani haina ina lawji